Welcome back to another edition of Burn It. Don't forget to like, share, click that button so you can subscribe. Here today we have a little teddy bear. Looks like an off-brand Winnie the Pooh. This is the type you would find at a state fair. This is Vinnie the Pooh. He's Winnie's cousin, poorly made. Vinnie the Pooh. Let's see him flame up. Right over here. Try to get out of the smoke. Bye-bye, Vinnie. He doesn't like honey. He likes machine guns and violin cases. Oh, he's going up good. He is. Oh, smoke shifted. There we go. He went up fast. There's a little bit left of him. Bye-bye, Vinnie. I hear one time his version of Eeyore upset his version of Piglet. He broke all 4 of Eeyore's legs. You can see just a little bit of bear paw. Just the bare necessities. Okay, I'll see myself out.